Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable your proxy server or prevent the changing of such settings on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung network and internet. Ito siya. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dito sa network and internet ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung proxy server for Wi-Fi and internet connections. So kailangan mo lang i-tap to. And then dito sa kanyang proxy settings, yung automatic proxy setup. And then under dito sa kanyang automatically detect settings, dapat naka-turn on dito. Okay, so once naka-turn up siya, kailangan mo i-turn on. For other settings naman, pwede mong gawin yung use setup script. So pwede mo itong setup. And then itong manual proxy setup, pwede mo naman itong i-set up mga kaibigan. Right? And the other solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin to. And then dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung run. And then dito sa run, and then dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung gpedit.msc and then click mo lang dito yung OK. So ito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. So ang next step na ating gagawin ay dito lang sa user configurations under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung administrative template. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows component. So double click ulit. And then dito sa Windows component, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-select dito yung Internet Explorer. Okay, so dito kailangan mo lang i-click yan. Hindi ka mag-double click dito, kundi kailangan mo lang i-click. And then dito sa kanyang settings, dito sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung prevent changing proxy. So makikita mo dito na prevent changing proxy settings. So ang gagawin natin dito, so kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop-up itong kanyang settings mga kaibigan. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung not configured. Okay, so once naka-enable siya, i-select mo lang itong not configured, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay, and then close lang natin itong local group policy editor, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to disable proxy or prevent changing proxy settings in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.